YouTube? Hey, my name is Bobby Land and this is Witness Riders. Guys, today I'm putting together kind of a short video here of what you've seen in the thumbnail, stolen Hellcat. You probably remember me and Matt riding around in his Hellcat. Let's just do that.
It moves. Guys, y'all see this? This is happiness. I love this guy right here. He does. I love this.
All right, so guys, that car right there was stolen, not from Matt, but from another business that was actually doing some warranty repair on his vehicle. Now, just due to whatever things that are going on with maybe legal issues or whatnot, I noticed Matt did not name the place that had the car, so I'm not going to name it either on this channel. But Matt calls me up earlier this week. He's like, Bobby, I'm so mad, dude. And he's like, man, somebody stole my car from this place while I was getting worked on. I'm like, are you kidding me? He's like, no, man, dude, it's gone. And so then a little bit later, he sends this post up. Well, this post is basically him talking about, how he's sad and a heavy heart and his car's gone. I mean, Matt put a lot of time, money, and effort into that car for somebody to just take it. Not only that, just take it from a very reputable business in this area, which is bizarre to me. But anyway, the other part is it was stolen on Sunday, and this place of business didn't even contact him until Tuesday about it. I'll let you all decide what should be done there. If you want to comment, please comment below on that situation. So then, I guess yesterday, all of a sudden, Matt gets a message from a friend of his driving down the interstate south of here near Bessemer, around Birmingham area, gets this picture. This guy's following him. The thief still left the car tag on the back of the car. I mean, I don't even get it. If you're going to steal something, at least take the car tag off, right? And put like a Carfax tag or something on it. I don't know, CarMax, whatever. And then, so last night, all of a sudden, Matt's post, I guess, kind of went viral. And you see, it got several hundred views here and shared almost 1,000 times. It's pretty incredible. So as I'm reading through this 600 and something comments, I start seeing all these things about, hey, now there's a police chase with the stolen vehicle in the Birmingham area. And then next thing you know, the police cruiser has had a collision with an innocent bystander, somebody that's not even involved with this, because this thief took it upon himself to take something that wasn't his, and he's out joyriding in it. Not only that, he's driving it like he stole it, no pun intended either. Because all the reports are talking about, yeah, I seen it passing me on the freeway and everything. And look at here, guys, this is some of the comments. I mean, it's just going down through here, all the things that people are saying. I want to try and get down here to a couple of these that are interesting and a little bit more relevant to the police chase. Are you serious right now? Yeah, I mean, right? Here's some text between Matt and another guy about some stuff, and hey, I just seen it. And then here's a scene from the wreck last night. That's where the police cruiser's on fire after wrecking with sorry about that. I'll blur that word out. I didn't realize there was a bad word there. But just once again, somebody involved that shouldn't be, because this thief decided to, take matters into his own hands. And, it is what it is. But guys, I'm actually posting this in hopes of maybe getting some of you to reshare it. And if you see it, or if you're down in the Birmingham area, please acknowledge it. Here's a video of a guy that, he was following this, and I don't know if they called the cops or not, but there's Matt's car right there. And
that bitch stick out like a sore thumb.
I know, yeah, it does. It sticks out like a sore thumb. Why are you going to steal a bright orange car with racing stripes? I mean, wow. So, guys, there's Matt's car. If you can, and you spot it, and you're down in the Birmingham, Bessemer area, I would hope that this individual is somewhat smart enough to, after being chased by the police and causing a wreck and all kind of other stuff, and from what I'm understanding, 2 of the police officers are in the hospital, and the civilian is also in the hospital too with injuries. I would hope that he would see that on the news, or maybe some of these posts and everything, because this has kind of went viral, in my opinion, that he would just abandon the car, leave it somewhere, and maybe Matt can get it back. Now I understand personally, man, it'd be hard to take something back that has been through all that, but it would be nice to have his vehicle back. Guys, our thoughts and prayers are with Matt. If any of you are in the Birmingham, Bessemer area, Pell area in Birmingham, please contact the cops. Follow it as much as you can without letting the individual know you're following it. Contact the cops. Let them know where you're at. And guys, stay safe, and we look forward to you riding with us.
Dum